Hello, it's Cheryl. Good morning. Today I thought I would film a get ready with me because I'm heading out to have breakfast with my friend. I just woke up and now I'm gonna put my makeup on. So yeah, keep on watching. I like to start off with curling my eyelashes and put on my sticker. The sticker that I put on my eyelid, focus. It's to, let me see. It's basically, you see my eye over here has this line, and over here is like the monolid. In order to make it even, I like to put a sticker on this lid to, to make it more even. Just to create that line so it will be the same as my right eye. Alright, so I just put a sticker on and you can tell. I know that sometimes when I look down it's a little bit weird, but the goal is to put the sticker on long enough to like just have this lid like this naturally. So that's the goal, but I have been using the sticker for so long and I don't know if it's really going to turn into the line that I want. The line never really stays. So, I don't know, but that's the goal. Put some lotion first. And the sunscreen. And then I'm going to have my concealer on. I don't really want to do foundation. On a normal day, I don't usually do foundation. It's not good for your skin, you know. Also, sometimes I don't like to get my sponge wet just because I feel like a dry sponge gives a better coverage and it still blends well. And the lighter color concealer, I like to dot on the spots. I like to use darker concealer first to cover up my sunspots, and then I would go in with the lighter concealer to brighten up. A lot of people don't realize that you need to use a shade darker than your own skin in order to cover the parts that you wanted to cover, whether it's a pimple or, if you use a bright color, the coverage is not good. So always choose a shade darker than your skin to cover up what you wanted to hide. I'm gonna use some powder and just under my eye. Kiki! Hey, baby! He came in to check on me, but when I called him, he walked away. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. Brush them out first. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 55 degrees in Oviedo. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the morning. Today's high will be 66 degrees and the low will be 55.
That is so cold. I don't know, I hate winter, and I think to me anything that's lower than 70 degrees It's freezing. My eyebrows are done. They look okay, right? Okay, next I like to do my eyeshadow. Today I am going to use my ColourPop palette. This is not actually like a palette that they sell. It's basically a palette that I put together. So if you guys know about ColourPop, you can get you can basically take it out and put it back. So that's how I put my eyeshadow palette together for ColourPop. I want to do a natural makeup look for the breakfast. Maybe I'll do this brown tone. I gotta tap it off because it's very powdery, which I don't have a problem with, but I know some of you guys do. I'm going to use ColourPop's Super Shocked Shadow in the color Waddles. I'm just gonna apply this with my finger. I got you! This is Kiki. Say hi! He's so pretty. You're so pretty. Without the makeup, you're so pretty like this. My waterline. That's pretty much it for my eyeshadows. I just want to do something really simple and natural. Cover my face. I'm gonna use sponge to blend out the harsh lines. Parts exposed. Some blush on my nose bridge. And again to blend out with my sponge. For the highlight, I am using Becca highlight. I'm going to use Tatcha's lip balm. I think I'm going for this color, Tarte's Exposed. What do you think? I think it's good. I love this color so much. It's kind of like a crayon. It's my new favorite. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the whole makeup, and I'm just gonna do my setting spray. This is from Makeup Forever. Sorry about the noise. I think the truck that comes to clean the street, I don't even know what to call it. Street cleaning truck. I think they're here, so it's probably very noisy. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes again. I'm going to apply mascara. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner with the eyeshadow, just a dark color here, and just a little bit, like through the line here, inside here. Okay, all done. One last thing, actually two more things. I'm going to use this eyeshadow right here. I'm going to do a little bit underneath. To brighten my eyes. I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it right here. I should have done this before the setting spray, but then I forgot, so it's okay. Alright, now, one last thing. I like to curl my eyelashes again after applying mascara. This is how I do my bangs before I go out. I like to curl them a little bit. So that's all. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I definitely do. So just looks more put together. Putting on my pearl earrings. So that's how they look. Putting on my necklace. Not too much. So this is my outfit for the day. It's so cold outside, at least for me. The jeans. I think there's a fur in my eye. If you have a cat with a long fur, so what happens, this is what I do. This is literally my life every single day, to get my phone's flashlight on and dig into my eye to get the little fur out.